guys, well, today one quick video from about how the people here, the seller and the street, make the banana roti. Really different when you eat in the restaurant and then you eat in the street. And the street is like a more yummy. I like more, and for that I want to show you how this girl make it for us. The banana roti not have so much thing. It's like a banana condensada meal, egg, sugar, and it's so sweet, but it's really good. I hope that you like how it look like. Go to the video.
Okay, here is our banana roti with the egg and the banana. It's like a crab, and they wrap it like this. And it's so good. They put a little bit butter, and when it's crispy, it's already. And there the price, less than $1 US dollar. You see it start to change the color. Now they cut them. Coming the most important part. There is the condensada meal. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I love this dessert. It's so good. And the texture, everything is so good. And so sweet, but are amazing. Okay guys, see you later. I hope you like. See you.